This video is about getting the quantity of mortar required for laying of blocks per square meter. So there was this day I was asked to calculate or to do estimate for block work per square meter. Guys, do you believe that I only calculated the number of blocks required, leaving the mortar for joining and for the yes, the mortar for joining the blocks. So when I discovered that I didn't calculate the materials for the mortar, I had to call friends. I searched the internet looking for how to join because it's something I've not done before.
For the purpose of this explanation, we are going to use 9 inches blocks. The length of our 9 inches block is 450 mm, the breadth is 225 and the height is also 225 mm. And for every 1 square meter of wall, using 9 inches blocks, we use approximately 10 number of blocks. To get the quantity of mortar for the 10 number of blocks, we need to calculate the surface area of the blocks, which is 10 number of blocks multiplied by the length times breadth, which will give us 1.0125. And we all know that we're not going to place mortar on the void surface, so we're going to less our surface of void from the overall surface. So to do that, we're going to multiply 10 by 2 voids per block multiply by the length of the void times the breadth of the void, which will give us 0.375. After doing that, when you less your void from the overall surface area, you'll be left with 0.637 meter square. So these are the joints. That's the surface joints and the side joints is usually 25 mm, that's 1 inch. We're going to simply multiply the surface area by, after lessing the voids, by the thickness of joint, which will give us 0.01593 m cube. This is not all. We're going to also calculate the quantity of mortar for the side joints. And for every block, as we can see, we're having 2 sides, but considering the 2 sides per block is going to be an overestimation. This is because for every 2 blocks, we're going to have only 1 joint. So we're going to proceed to multiplying 10 number of blocks by the breadth times height of the block, which will give us overall surface area of 0.50625 m square. Then after that, so you just multiply your thickness of mortar, that is thickness of the side joint, by the overall surface area of the side joint. So adding the quantity of mortar for the side joints to the quantity of mortar for the surface joints is the logic behind 0.03 m cube per square meter of block wall.
Thanks for watching and have a great day.